Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Solana video update. And look at Solana, man. Just look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's looking beautiful. Do you know what beauty really is? It's looking beautiful. Okay. So once again, guys, it seems like Solana is up above the 55 EMA, and that's really positive for the continuation actually. So in my opinion, guys, you still have to meet the technical target out of this falling wedge. Do you get my point here? So this was a falling wedge that you actually broke out of. Just look at that beautiful falling wedge, and you're still on a journey to actually go up to this price target that I've given you previously, which is the 155 or the 150 ranges up there. So right now there's a little bit of a nice good progress. You're setting up the 55 EMA. You're about to get a cross of the 20 and the 55. Once you do that, this takes off. It takes off and it takes off. Maybe the way it took off previously, right in this areas right over there. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay down the FIB retracement to see if we actually take the bottom here to the top right there. You actually came near the 0.5 right over here, and what's the next impulsive move to the upside? We're going to discuss about the next impulsive move. So for that one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the the recent top here to this bottom right there, and it seems like actually the target was met at the 1.618. You nearly went the 106 right up there, right? So this has already played out. So I'm gonna bring in this top right now, from the top here to the bottom, just like that, and this is gonna take it to $125. Now there's one more thing I actually noticed. Yeah, there's one more thing to notice here. On the daily, let me hide the 55 here. On the daily, there is a potential level of support that has been broken or has yet to be broken. Did we just break this support? Because if you did so, then all you're doing is a nice beautiful W right over here to go to the upside. So I'm going to show you the technical targets, which is going to be from the top to the bottom right over there, and this is where you're breaking out. You're looking to actually go to the 126, and I already told you on the FIB retracement, if you take the top to the bottom right over here, this recent impulsive move, where does it take you again? To the 1.618. And where's the 1.618? Of course, the W, the target of this W is also the 1.618 out of this impulsive top to the bottom right there. So this to me seems like a very reasonable next price target, and potentially go to the 152 also, which is this right over here. So everything is connected, guys. Everything is super connected in here. So guys, I do think it's gonna do $125, $126 maybe coming up the next impulsive move to the upside. And that's it for the update, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.